Hello everyone, welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. Today, we are going to make a super fun and simple Dino Run game using Arduino and a Nokia 5110 LCD display. A mini handheld gaming project you can build at home easily. Let's get started. First, let's take a quick look at the components we'll need for this project. One Arduino board, Uno or Nano, one Nokia 5110 LCD display, two push buttons, a few jumper wires, breadboard for easy connections. All these components are easily available and affordable. Now, let's move on to the circuit setup. The Nokia 5110 display is connected to Arduino pins 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. One button is connected to pin 2, used for jumping the dyno. The second button is connected to pin 3, used to pause or resume the game. Power and ground are connected normally to the Arduino. Once the setup is complete, we upload the code into the Arduino. Let me explain the basic working. When the game starts, a welcome screen displays Digitech Dynamo. After that, the dyno appears on the ground and cactus obstacles start moving from the right. Pressing the jump button will make the dyno jump and avoid the cactus. If you press the pause button, the game will pause and resume whenever you press again. Each time the dyno successfully avoids an obstacle, the score increases. If the dyno collides with a cactus, the game ends with a game over message, and your final score is displayed. Now let's see the project in action. We power up the Arduino, and the welcome screen appears first. Then the dyno starts running. Using the jump button, you can make the dyno leap over the incoming cactuses. The game becomes faster and more challenging as your score increases. If you hit an obstacle, the game stops and displays your final score. You can reset and start playing again. This project is a fun way to learn about graphics programming, button controls, and timing with Arduino. It's a great beginner-friendly gaming project, and you can customize it further by adding sounds, higher speed, or more complex obstacles. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more cool Arduino and electronics projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.